So today we will discuss about some of the DDL triggers. Like in previous session, we have discussed before insert, before delete, after delete, before update, after update, instead of triggers with respect to the views and statement level triggers. So all these triggers we have discussed. And among these, there are so many triggers are there, like DDL triggers. I mean, create, alter, drop. Okay. So I before going to discuss those triggers, so these are the some function names, system functions. Okay. So if you pass these parameters, then you will get that uh, recent activity, and these functions that can be called in trigger functions only. Okay. So only called in a drop event trigger function. Okay. So outside it is not possible to call. Okay. So here DDL trigger means whenever one table is created or one table is altered or one table is dropped. So that kind of information, if you store in one audit table kind of thing, then it will be better for future use. Okay. So how this happens means we will discuss now. So first, create or replace function DDL underscore or function underscore DDL and returns trigger language pgSQL as and begin. So here for DDL, so this is the select query. So it will return event type, I mean create table or alter table, and object type, I mean table name. Okay. Before that, audit table we need to create. We will create separate token. Create table log underscore DDL underscore audit. Here serial number, serial, and event type varchar, and table name varchar, and get date. So when this event created, select star from. Okay. So here I'm trying to insert event type and table name columns. Okay. Take this table name and here write insert into and column names event type and table name. Okay. So this is for create table, alter table related function. And after this, one more function. So take this function replica and remove this cell to query. And here, this is for drop. For drop, we have this system function which will return drop related action. So here, no need to capture this in a timestamp. Function is created, and now create event. Create event trigger tr underscore, take this function name on DDL underscore command underscore end, execute function. So this is the function. Okay. So same type of tree. See, this is the trigger for create and alter commands. And same code I'm trying copy and paste, and here drop. So in this trigger, call this drop related logic function. Okay. So execute this. Unrecognized DDL command end. So DDL command end. Function fn DDL return type event trigger. So event underscore trigger. It is saying that it cannot change the return type of the existing function. So first it is suggesting that hint, see, drop that function and recreate it. So same type of here. So these are the event triggers. So we need to return event trigger. So same thing. Here on SQL underscore drop. Okay. Now this one is also created. Now we will check. I will create one sample table. Create table log, and so event trigger, right? So event trigger test. So serial number, integer. So when I'm creating this table, so in this table, last DDL audit. Table, it is not insert log DDL event. Log DDL audit event type. Log table. See, something we have done the mistake. I think execution of these function not properly. So I will truncate and test it again. See here, there is no records now. Okay. So I'm trying to create one table and see this log audit table. For example, alter table, add column, ename, so only drop event is working properly. But serial, okay, will happen. Type, table name, command tag, object type. in create table, alter table, event type, table name. There any triggers? Law. Okay. For example, if I declare here, it's nowadays. If I yeah, got it. A table name. I didn't get the table name. That name. Identity. Okay. So I have given the wrong name here. So object identity. Now see this truncate table. Now we don't have any records, and I'm going to create one table. I'm going to create one table and check this log DDL audit. So that table, which table has been created, that information we can capture it. If I alter the table, see, so you have altered the table at this timestamp. So that information also I can able to capture it and drop. So drop means this is the function name. This is the event trigger for drop. Okay. So now I'm going to check. So drop by dropping this table. So table is dropped. See, drop table. Okay. So you can check one more time. So I'm truncating this log table. Okay. We don't have any records and drop that test table. Okay. And first I'm going to create one table. So you can check log audit table. So that create table. So which table has been created, that information we can able to get it. And if you alter that table, then that information also we can see in audit table. If you drop that table, that information also we can able to see in that table, audit table. Okay. So for this logging purpose, we use this DDL triggers. Okay. So this is the actual query. So I'm just replacing this. And